show you how you can load and unload filament from your Robo E3 Pro 3D printer. First, go into Tools, and then Filament. From there, you can select whether you'd like to unload or load filament from your printer. If you don't have any filament loaded, skip the unload step and go straight to loading. If you have filament to unload first, click Unload. Then, remove the clear piece from the top of the printer. Have your spool of filament handy, and move to the back of your machine while it preheats. From behind your printer, lift the black tube up and out of the extruder. Then, push down on the little lever, push the filament down a little bit, and then pull up to remove. Be sure you do this only after it's preheated. To load filament, if you were previously unloading, just click the Done button, and then from this screen, click Load. While you wait for the printer to heat up, get your next spool of filament ready. Make sure it has a nice clean end. Then, on the back of the machine, load it onto the filament spool holder, and do so counterclockwise so that it feeds smoothly up and into the filament guide tube. From there, you want to grab that same black tube that you took off when you were unloading, and then feed the filament through it as well. Push the bottom of the black tube back into that original filament guide tube on the back of your machine, and then take the filament on the front and push it into this top hole on your extruder. You can use the lever on the side to make sure it gets started, and then wait to feel it being pulled by the machine. When it's loading, you'll be able to see the filament come out of the extruder. When you see the color change, click Done. Once your new filament is loaded, you can simply replace the clear cover to the top of your machine, and you are ready to start printing.